Christmas card to Ireland, to someone who dreams by candlelight, as church bells ring sweetly in the valley, and snowflakes come tumbling through the night. The red holly berries brightly gleaming, the tinsel upon the Christmas tree, the echoes of merry carefree laughter, those memories are so very dear to me. I would give a crock of gold to recall those days of old, just to wander in that wonderland once more, to behold a joyous sight, candles shedding holy light, as they beckon through an open cottage door. I'm sending a Christmas card to Ireland. It goes with my love across the sea. I'm sending a very special greeting to someone who patiently waits for me.